This is the right moment. Gather the lilac flowers. Pour them in a jar and you will know their incredible power. Lilac is a flower that smells unearthly and pleases the eyes. In addition, it has many properties you probably didn't know about. I would like to show you how to make a wonderful oil from it. At the very beginning, pick the lilac flowers. It is important that they are not found by the roadside, as they may have dirt on them. Then, cut off the twigs with flowers into a bowl. Peel the lilac flowers themselves into a separate bowl. Choose the prettiest ones, the ones that haven't bloomed yet. In the meantime, heat some oil of your choice to about 40 degrees Celsius. Place the flowers into a jar. Pour the heated oil over them. Set it aside for 2 days. After this time, strain the oil through a strainer. You can use this oil in several ways. The first is to add the oil to your moisturizer. If you rub it into your face, new wrinkles will stop appearing. Old ones, on the other hand, should become smoother. In young people, it eliminates acne. Massaged into your temples, it will relieve headaches. It relieves anxiety and depression. You can also rub the oil to your knees, for example, to relieve rheumatic pains. Our last suggestion is to apply the oil to a diffuser. This guarantees a beautiful fragrance throughout the house. This simple drink will hydrate your body and leave you feeling full of energy. It's the perfect refreshment for the whole day. Fresh, light, and addictive, and it takes just a moment to prepare. 2 teaspoons of chia seeds should be soaked in water until they swell. Take 1 carrot, peel it, and slice it into thin rounds. Then, slice 1 cucumber into thin pieces. Cut a pre-cooked beetroot into thin slices. Slice a lemon into thin rounds. In a jug, add the carrot, cucumber, and beetroot in layers, then add the chia seeds that you've soaked in water. Add the lemon slices, which will give the drink an exceptional flavor. Pour in 2 or 3 glasses of water. Stir well for a few moments, and then wait 5 to 10 minutes for the ingredients to combine properly. This drink is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It supports digestion and provides valuable nutrients that improve well-being and speed up metabolism. It's the ideal way to hydrate your body, improve skin health, and maintain energy throughout the day. Instead of throwing away the strawberry tops, save them for later. Cut off the ends of the strawberries and place them in a jar. Fill the jar to the top, cover with vinegar, screw the lid on, and let it sit for 24 hours. This way, you'll create a natural strawberry vinegar, full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's a bioproduct without artificial additives that works great as a marinade, salad dressing, or sauce ingredient. This is the secret oil no one told you about. All you need is 1 ingredient, and the difference is huge. Start by taking a ripe avocado, cut it in half, remove the pit, and carefully scoop out all the soft flesh with a spoon, trying not to leave any hard pieces near the skin. Mash it thoroughly with a fork until it's a smooth, even mixture without large chunks. Then transfer it to a pan and heat it on low. Stir constantly, slowly, and carefully to ensure the mixture doesn't stick and heats evenly on all sides. After a while, you'll notice the natural fat beginning to separate, and the mixture will gradually change color and consistency. Continue heating until it becomes slightly golden and drier, and you can clearly see the oil separating on the surface. Then, transfer everything to a strainer, cheesecloth, or clean cloth, and squeeze out as much liquid as possible into a container. Watch as pure, natural oil with a golden color forms. It's perfect as a daily dose of vitamins or as a spread for bread. This oil is rich in healthy fats, vitamins E and K, and antioxidants that support the skin, improve digestion, and benefit the heart. The internet is obsessed with this drink. Add gelatin to a glass, pour in water, and mix thoroughly until there are no lumps left. Add fresh beetroot juice for its rich color and lemon juice for a light and refreshing taste. Mix everything again, and it's ready. This natural collagen drink helps support firmer, more elastic skin and gives the complexion a fresh, radiant look every day. After a week of drinking this refreshing drink, you may feel lighter and notice positive changes. Slice a green apple and a cucumber. Add them to a blender, pour in lime juice and cold water. Blend until smooth and creamy, then pour into a glass. This natural source of vitamins and freshness is perfect at any time of the day. After a week of drinking this refreshing drink, you may feel lighter and notice positive changes. Slice a green apple and a cucumber. Add them to a blender, pour in lime juice and cold water. Blend until smooth and creamy, then pour into a glass. This natural source of vitamins and freshness is perfect at any time of the day. This is one of those drinks worth having regularly to help support healthy circulation and maintain normal pressure levels. Chop 2 tomatoes into smaller pieces. Squeeze the juice from 2 oranges and 1 lime. Add the tomatoes to a blender and pour in the freshly squeezed juices. Blend everything until smooth and pour into a glass. This drink is not only refreshing and packed with vitamins, but it may also help support normal pressure levels thanks to the potassium and antioxidants found in tomatoes. Add elderflowers to a cup and prepare a fragrant, soothing infusion. Pour boiling water over them and cover the cup with a small plate while it steeps. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then strain through a sieve. Elderflower tea delights with its lightly caramel-like flavor and is valued for its natural properties. It may support liver function, aid digestion, and help strengthen the body's natural defenses. Drizzle kiwi with lime juice, and frequent trips to the pharmacy will become a thing of the past. Peel 2 kiwis and slice them. Cut 2 stalks of celery into smaller pieces so they blend more easily. Peel a whole pineapple and cut it into larger chunks. Then squeeze the juice from 1 lime. Add the sliced kiwi, pineapple pieces, and celery to a blender. Pour in the lime juice and 1 glass of cold water. Blend until smooth, creamy, and even in texture. It is best enjoyed right after preparation, when it is at its freshest and keeps the most nutrients. This drink supports the immune system, may help digestion, supports hydration, and provides valuable antioxidants. It is low in calories, filling, and gives natural energy. Perfect for a quick breakfast, a light snack, or a refreshing drink during the day. It is also a simple and tasty way to add more fruit and vegetables to your daily diet. If you enjoy fresh flavor and easy recipes, this one is worth making again and again. Quick to prepare, wonderfully refreshing, and perfect for any time of day. Just 1 glass of this drink before bed will help you maintain a slim figure. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon to a glass, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Also, add a teaspoon of lemon juice, which supports digestion. Pour hot water over it. Stir, let it cool down, and drink it before bed. This slimming drink will take care of your figure.